Keep them stacked tight. Watch the angle on the left. Forklift A, move in. Forklift B, back up. Looks pretty worn out here. Yeah, the tape's coming off and it's full of scratches. All right, bringing in the cones. Watch the clearance. Looking good. Set them down right there.
The system is running at peak efficiency. Over 16,000 cones processed this hour.
Keep the dirt separated. Watch that heavy cone. Grab this metal piece here.
The cone washer system's at full capacity.
They look like new.
Efficient and powerful.
Keep them coming. Another one going in. Push that pile forward.
The magnetic separator is working efficiently.
It's extracting a lot of contaminants.
The air separator is working perfectly to remove all the light debris.
Excellent work. Looks like we've cleared another batch.
Check the pressure levels on Module 3.
Status is critical.
Adjusting parameters now.
This batch seems to be holding consistency well.
Yeah.
Agreed, the texture is optimal.
Let's finalize the documentation now.
The approved pellets are ready for transfer to the moulding area.
Check the weight on those IBCs.
Looks correct on the manifest. Proceed with the transfer.
The pellets keep melting right here. Look at this buildup. We need to shut it down. Press the emergency stop.
The mold is almost full. Maintain the temperature. Let's begin the cooling process now.
Pallets are clear. Starting the cooling sequence.
I think I found the issue here. See that? Let me see that. Yep, definitely a crack. I'll log it now.
The hydraulic plate is descending. Checking the data. Failure at 4.2 tons. Noted. Initiating the next test.
The pallet is holding strong at 10,000 kilograms. Okay. Outstanding results. Truly remarkable durability.
The recycled pallets are ready. Let's start the test.
Lowering the 5,000-pound load.
It's holding. Remove the forks.
Pallet has passed. Standard ISO 8611 met. Great work, team.
Keep them moving to Bay 7. On it, heading to Bay 9 now. The transformation from old traffic cones to brand new pallets. Witness the before and after.